Hi, welcome to the Aero Workshop. Today we're going to show you the features and applications of Aero's GT20DT Dual Temp Glue Gun. The GT20DT Dual Temp Glue Gun is a really great option for crafting. As its name shows, the GT20DT has multiple temperature settings for your various needs, like crafts, school projects, birdhouses, and even Halloween costumes. The GT20DT's high temperature setting heats quickly and delivers maximum hold, while the lower setting melts the glue sticks at a cooler temperature rate to protect fragile materials that have low melting points. And while the glue's temperature can change, the precision does not. The GT20DT's drip-resistant tip offers control and accuracy, especially in tight places. Thanks for stopping by the Aero Workshop. We hope you enjoy your new tool.